Hello and welcome to Jules Birdie WordPress Unique Photography Portfolio Installation Tutorial. My name is Andrew and I will guide you through all the steps required in order to install and activate this theme in your WordPress website. First of all, if you don't know how to install WordPress, a very good starting step would be to go to wordpress.org and download the latest version 3.4.2 uploaded using your FTP client on your web server and install it there. Or if you have your cPanel credentials provided by your website administrator, your web server administrator, you should log into your cPanel account, and there you should find a software that will automatically install WordPress on your website. After you have finished installing WordPress, you will have to install your new theme. This is a new WordPress website where I have already installed the Jules Birdie theme. There are two ways of installing this. First of all, you should go to Appearance, Install Themes, Upload, choose File. This is the file you should be uploading. Open and install now. As I said before, I already installed the theme, so this is not necessary right now. Or the second method is to upload it through your FTP client in your webpack content /themes folder, and afterwards you will automatically find it here in Manage Themes. I will now activate my Jules Birdie theme, and to begin we should do the following steps. Go to Settings, give your WordPress site a title. I will choose Jules Birdie, Birdie, and I will choose a tagline which will be present on the front page of your website. If you wish this to appear, you should fill in with something like, for example, I don't know, WordPress Premium Portfolio Template, or my photography album, my web design album, or anything you like. If you don't want it to appear on your front page, you should leave this space blank. Also fill in any other kind of information you would like on your general settings and save them. Then we should go to permalinks and change the default settings to post name or custom structure. I'll choose post name. As you probably have noticed, there are two tabs which have appeared in my WordPress installation. First of all is my Jules Birdie with the little birdie here, and the next one is Portfolio. I'm going to show you the general settings of Jules Birdie. So I'm going to go to my Jules Birdie general options, and if I have a Google Analytics ID, I should fill in here, or I could choose my footer credits, for example, Jules Birdie, and About Me. This is a section that will also appear on the front page, and it's about a little description about yourself, or about your portfolio, your business, or even a website description if you'd like. I already filled one in earlier, so this is it. I could choose my social networks links to my profiles. I'm going to save them and update. Now I'm going to go to Style, where you can upload your logo by choosing Upload Image, where you can drag folders, drag files, or select them with this button. Also, you can choose your favicon, your main layout, colors, the size of your thumbnails, and the opacity, and also the navigation options. I'm going to save and update. My portfolio options, where I can choose the order of my projects or the gallery type. If I want to display the portfolio date, why not? I'm going to display it. and if I want a special color background for my projects. Next, typography, where I can choose the fonts for every content of my website. As you can see, you have all sorts of options and more than 80 fonts available to use. I'm going to save these. I'm going to go to contact, where if I would like a contact page, I should definitely fill in these gaps. So I'm going to fill them in. As I said, I've filled them before with my details. This is my code. I will need my latitude and longitude in order to show the map on my contact page, and I'm going to click here. Momentarily I'm using a right click to open it in a new location, and I will share my location. I am from Ploiești. I'm to go to my place, and here I can find my latitude and longitude. I will copy this 44.94 to my options for my latitude, and for my longitude I'm going to copy 2603 right here. If you'd like multiple types of maps and also your address bubble like they do it on Google Maps, I'm going to save them and update. And for my blog, I'm going to fill in my Twitter account username. For my tweet, I'm going to set only one tweet and 5 news. News are actually the posts from your blog. This is what news means. I'm going to save them and update. And I'm going to go to creating my pages. I'm going to go to pages. For example, I'm going to delete this one. This one comes by default with your new WordPress installation on your website. I'm going to add a new page. For example, contact me. I'm going to choose my contact template. If I'd like a intro and a claim, something like a title and subtitle, contact me. This will be our title. I'm available. Please send quotation. And I'm going to publish this page. Afterwards I can add all my pages, all the pages that I want. For my blog page I should choose the news template. For example, I'm going to start my blog. I'm going to choose the news template, and I'm going to publish the page. This will make all the posts which you write it here go into your blog page, which you will find on your menu. Next, I'm going to go to my portfolio, and I'm going to add, as you can see, we have no projects here, and I'm going to make some types here. For example, web design, maybe I have to refresh this one. Yes, photography, and food, whatever suits you. Still no project. I'm going to add a new one. I'm going to leave it like this. So this is the title of the project. Whatever content you would like to place in here, I'm going to choose my type of project. It's going to go to photography. I'm going to set my featured image, and I'm going to drag it from the folder I'll be choosing. So let's see, I'm going to work with this one. This will be my featured image. After I have done this, I'm going to close it. Here you have some options specifically for this project and this project only. I'm going to fill in my client's name with which in this case will be, I don't know, Jules Birdie. You can place whatever your client might be, or if you don't have a client you may leave it blank. And my project URL, it's going to be my personal website. I would also like to display the project featured image, this one, in the project slideshow, and I'm going to click here. And I would like that my image should be a simple centered title and just the description. In order to place a gallery, a photo gallery in your portfolio project, you should click this button. You should drag here or upload your images. For example, I choose the little child. I'm going to pick something about childhood for pictures. I'm going to upload them into my WordPress website, and after the upload is complete, I'm going to show you a little trick. Should you care to change the featured image, this one, with any of these one, you should do it now by clicking show and clicking use as featured image. But if you don't, you will go to gallery. These are all of your pictures which you have just which I have just uploaded, and I'm going to change a little bit the sequence here. I would like this one to be here, this one to be here, and the pencils should definitely be here. So I have an order now, and I'm going to save all changes. I'm going to close this window, and because I have filled all the gaps necessary, I'm going to publish it. Now I have published my first project, and I'm ready to view my new website. But before that, you should make a menu. I'm going to go to Appearance, Menus, and I'm going to create a new menu. It's going to go to my main section menu, save here. And now I'm going to place items in my menu. For example, I have the blog page, I have contact me page. I'm going to add them to my menu. For the moment, I'm going to do just this, and I'm going to open my website. And Jules Birdie should look something a little bit like this. As you can see, I have created a new feature, all these flying birds, which you can chase them with your mouse. They will all run away. And this is my project I have created earlier. So as you can see, we have the title we have placed, and this is how my project will open. This is my gallery of pictures to which I can scroll, and I can see everything. This is my title and also my description. Going back to my menu, if I were to choose a different kind of presentation, I will go to not a simple standard title and description. I'm going to go to the advanced one. I'm going to update this project, and I'm going to refresh my page, and voila, everything changed here. My title, my description, and also my share buttons, my type, the date, my client's name, and also my project's URL. Closing this one, I will show you the description of which I talked earlier when we were in options. It will be here, and also my site tagline is here. and this is my logo. In order to pace things a little bit, I'm going to upload the XML which you will be provided using a WordPress plugin, the WordPress import tool, which you will find in plugins, or go to tools, import, and then click WordPress. I'm going to install it and activate it, and also I'm going to choose my file, which will be this one. Open it here, and I'm going to upload the file and import all the attachments to it. While this is done, I could tell you that Jules Birdie comes with a lot of options for styling, and it's an Ajax portfolio, especially designed for photography and web design. As I have uploaded my XML file, I can go now to pages, where you can see already uploaded my content along with the pages I have created earlier. As you can see, this is the page I have created earlier in this one. We can delete these two, they are the same. I'm going to go to my menus option, and I'm also going to delete them from here. So it's this one, remove, and contact me, this one. I'm going to save my menu, and I'll also be checking my portfolio, where you can see these are all the projects I have saved for you in order to upload the content, the dummy content, so that it will be easier for you to develop your WordPress website on Jules Birdie theme. And now, if I were to refresh my page, I'm going to find all my projects plus one, this one. Thank you for buying Jules Birdie theme, and what can I say? Good luck with your website, and should you have any questions or any inquiries about this theme, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you, goodbye.